In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post via Hootsuite. To get started, open Hootsuite and look for the option to create a new post. In the interface, you will see a plus button labeled with something like Create a Post. Click the plus or the Create button that is located in the top left corner. This is the entry point for publishing content, so taking this first step correctly matters. Once you click it, Hootsuite should switch you into the post creation screen, where you can choose where your post will go and what it will include. Next, you will select your connected social accounts. In the Post Composer area, there will be a drop-down menu for social profiles or connected accounts. From that drop-down, select the account or accounts that you want to post to. This ensures your message is delivered to the right platform and the right audience. Take a moment to double-check the selected account names before you move on, since it is easy to accidentally choose the wrong one when multiple connections are available. After you confirm the correct social accounts are chosen, you are ready to write your post. Now you can type your caption text. In the content area, you will see a text box where you can add the main message for your post. Type the caption exactly as you want it to appear. If you are including hashtags, mentions, or any call to action, add them here as part of the caption text. This is also a good time to keep an eye on formatting and length, especially for platforms that have character limits. As you type, you may notice that the composer provides guidance or visual updates so you can see how your post is shaping up. When your caption looks correct, you can proceed to add your media. After your caption is ready, attach your media assets in the content area. Look for the area that lets you upload or attach files, such as images, videos, or other supported media. Add the media you want to include with your post. If you have multiple assets, attach them in a way that matches the format required by the platform. This part is important because strong visuals often make a post more engaging, and the upload process ensures your media is included exactly with the post you are publishing. Once the media is uploaded and displayed properly, you can finalize the posting action. With your accounts, caption, and media set, you are ready to publish. At the bottom of the composer, look for the button that says Post Now. Clicking Post Now will send your post immediately. If you prefer to plan ahead, instead of posting right away, you can choose Schedule for later. When you select Schedule, you will be able to pick a specific date and time for when Hootsuite will publish your post. This is useful when you want your content to go live at the best time for your audience. Whether you choose Post Now or Schedule for later, review your post one last time before confirming. Once you confirm your choice, Hootsuite will handle the final steps and make your post available according to your settings. If you scheduled it, you may see it listed in your scheduled queue or calendar so you can track it easily. If you post it immediately, you should be able to view it in the corresponding social feed based on the platform's publishing time. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.